Inflation continues to cool. The headline CPI, also known as Consumer Price Index, for the month of April came in at a 12-month rate of 2.3%, which was below the estimate of 2.4% and marked the lowest reading since February 2021. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, came in at 2.8%, which matched expectations and was in line with March's reading. Energy was a major help to the headline number as it fell 3.7% compared to last year, with gasoline in particular down 11.8% over that time frame. While this is all great, many economists are worried about what the next few months will look like on the inflation front due to tariffs. Joseph Gagnon from the Peterson Institute for International Economics said he believes a 10% average tariff rate would add as much as 1 percentage point to the CPI after about 6 to 9 months. While I would agree with the idea that inflation will likely increase in the months ahead, I still don't believe it will be too problematic for two reasons. First, we should remember there are several players that can absorb the cost from these tariffs. You have to consider the companies importing products can reduce their margin. There would be shipping, transportation companies that can reduce their costs. The companies manufacturing products can lower their prices. And then yes, the consumer is the last piece of the puzzle that could now have higher prices. With all that said, I don't believe a 10% tariff would then result in a 10% increase in prices due to all the places in the supply chain that can absorb some of the cost. The second reason I wouldn't be overly concerned is I wouldn't see the tariff as embedded inflation, and it could likely be viewed as a one-time lift to prices that would then be lapped next year. Nonetheless, the story will be interesting to monitor in the coming months to see what the actual impact is, but I do remain optimistic about our economy and the inflation outlook as well. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.